Fucked up. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Jaywalking Diva. I'm here today with a new video for you guys. Yeah. Okay, but before we get started, if you're not subscribed, please do me a huge favor, go and do so. Hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, anything of that nature. All those things I just mentioned helps my channel to grow, so I would greatly appreciate it. It will help it go far. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys will help me obtain that goal, I will greatly appreciate it. So without keeping you guys waiting any longer, let's get into what my video is about. This video is like probably one of my best field videos that I'll be doing for you guys starting off with this year. This is actually 2 anticipated sneaker drops that I was hoping and praying that I would get. One was a draw, one was just a first come first serve purchase. And I lucked out and got both on the same day. Can you believe it? One was on sneakers, one was on Nike. And we all know how the draws go on sneakers. It's not really much you can do to obtain a shoe with that. You just gotta keep your fingers crossed and hope that they pick you. And I was a lucky candidate for that sneaker. So, again, they both came out on the same day. One was women's exclusive, which was a draw, and the other one came out, I believe, in both big kids and men's, and that was on Nike. So let's see, which one should I do for you guys first. These are the women's Dunk Low Coast. Look at that color, man. That is just so freaking awesome. I love that. You have the gold here on the tongue with the Nike symbol there, and then you have the same on the heel with Nike, and you also have a little hint of yellow here on the end of the lace tips. Very, very nice shoe. And I must say, like, both of these actually came almost flawless in the shipment. No damage to the boxes, nothing wrong on the sneakers, just a perfect package all the way through. And you have the yellow insole there with the light blue Nike on the tongue, on the insole. It's really nice. But again, this was a draw, and this was like my second draw ever on sneakers. I mean, I hoped and prayed for the best. I tried to pay positive, but I was like, there is no way I would get this sneaker. And I did, and here it is. Live in my hands. Is very, very nice. I wouldn't say the leather quality is the best. I mean, but however, it is a dunk and can't really get too much, perfection with this type of material for dunks. But it is very nice. Again, women's exclusive, and I'm sure some guys picked it up because of the colorway. Very popular colorway. Anything close to Carolina blue or anything of that nature, I think, is like a big cop for a lot of people. And this was one of them. So yes, women's Dunk Low Coast. And my next one is none other than, let me get my drink out the way, the Jordan Retro 1 Mid Signal Blue. This shoe here, SE, let me add the SE because it shows in the quality of how they put this shoe together. Very nice. And I've seen other reviews on this shoe as well, and a lot of people have said the same thing that I'm about to say. Again, the packaging, the shipping, the box, everything was like pretty much flawless on this shipment. I mean, very nice. I mean, look at that. No scuffs, no scratches or anything on this shoe. Very well put together. And I like the leather texture on here. It's actually pretty, a little similar to the Dunk Low's leather on the toe box. So yeah, again, this is the Signal Blue Retro 1 Mid SE. Very, very nice. And I heard a lot of people say that they will be holding on to these because they really feel that the resale value will go up. On the Dark Glow, before it even dropped, I know the resale price on it was like $353 for my size. I'm not going to resell mine, but that's just crazy that it's already worth that before even selling for retail. But on the Signal,
3 hours later.
very, very nice shoe. The color is very nice. The patent leather and leather mixture I really love. I love the black pinstriping that they have throughout the shoe on the blue. And I'm not sure if you guys can see the stitching there on the swoosh. It's like a hint of the blue as well. You guys can see that. And also you have the little wing, infamous wing down the ankle in black on top of that patent leather that just like really sets it off. And then on top of the tongue here, you have the blue tongue with the Jumpman in air. Typical black flat laces, black sole, white midsole, white mud guard, but very, very nice shoe. You guys comment down below too to let me know if you guys were able to cop this. And this one, I don't know if it came out of other foot size as well, but I do know it was on Nike for the longest, which is how I was able to get notified that it dropped. But yes, it came out in men's and grade school, I believe. But yes, these were two of the most talked about sneakers from other people that put it out on their sites. Much anticipated tops for most people. And again, like I said, I lucked out and got both. I mean, you can't beat that. Yes, guys, here it is. Jordan Retro 1 Mid Signal Blue SE. Very, very nice shoe. So that will end it, guys. And thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. Again, if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and do so. Give me a thumbs up on this video. Leave a comment. Ring the notification bell so you guys know when I upload the footage. And again, I am excited about my two cops. You guys leave me a comment below to let me know if you guys were able to get both of these silhouettes or at least one of them, and let me know your thoughts on them both down below. Looking forward to seeing you guys next time. You guys have a good one. I am Jaywalking Diva. Peace.
Nick.